And now, boys and girls, let's see how you can get this frame to have here. So first thing, you want to go to the almighty internet, go to promo boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls. So you want to go to any sort of a web browser or search engine of your choice. You want to go to a site called WdFlat. So you want to go to WdFlat, and here we've got all sorts of presets and like already set up overlays, streaming elements that you can use for free. Let's see what do we have here. Wait. Facecam. I actually go to Facecam, and now here, I don't know. Let's say this looks quite interesting. So we got like this. It says it's animated. Let's see. Oh fuck me, rape. Okay, so pretty much yeah, this is animated. I mean, if you want, you can download the animated thingy. Okay, I think we've like downloaded this one, which is like a basic one. I mean, if you want, you can download the animated ones. You can, I don't know, download basic ones, PNG file. Yeah. If you want like a regular one, you can go to PNG, and yeah, you should see some presets and options here. I don't know. Let's select that we want. I don't know. This one. I mean, this looks quite interesting. So let's say we want it. What color? So it comes with many. Okay, so if you want, you can like switch it up. I don't know. Let's say you want a yellow overlay. Let's put it to yellow. So that's for your name, and we want it. Okay, so this. So I don't know. Let's say we want pinky. Then you want to put your text. You want to put, I don't know, destiny, and this is our overlay. Then file name. Let's go with mmm. Download, and it's gonna download. Now you want to go to OBS, go add source. We want to add an image. Browse the file location, so it should probably by default be in downloads, although for me it's not because I've changed the source. So yeah, okay, I found it. Bam, it's here, and now as you can see, it's here like in the OBS. Now I want to resize it. Let's hide this one for now, and I don't know. Let's resize it like this, and bam, as you can see, boys and girls, now we've got a brand new overlay. I mean, it looks quite spicy, and that's how you add an overlay to OBS. Pretty easy and simple. This was it from this video. If you want more videos, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next one. Peace. Bye.